In 1919 Boston, a sudden tide of molasses flooded the streets, trapping people and wrecking storefronts in a surreal, sticky catastrophe. The disaster turned a bustling waterfront into a syrupy landscape where clanking wheels sank and cries rose above the cloying scent. Rescuers waded thigh-deep through stubborn waves of brown foam while engineers calculated the cause: a failed molasses tank, overfilled and unvented. Investigations revealed lax regulations and a culture of haste that ignored safety margins, yet citizens shared stories of courage and strange, sweet resilience. The Great Molasses Flood became a lasting warning about haste and safety.